Alright, what?
What's this?
A fish.
Good. What's this?
An elephant.
No. This is an elephant.
That's not an elephant.
That's a giraffe.
No.
Now what's that then?
That's a cow.
No, it's a chicken.
Oh, it's a chicken.
They say, quack, quack.
Oh, yeah, you got a chicken that's mixed with a duck there. Go. Okay.
What's this?
A cow.
What's this?
A bird.
Yes. Say, beep, beep, beep. And they're looking for worms.
They look for worms
Yeah, to eat.
to eat them?
Yeah,
Wow, you're so smart.
yeah. But always birds, they fly away.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You see the bird?
Uh-huh.
Fly away.
Where's your sister?
My sister? Oh, it's in school.
She's in school?
Yeah.
Oh.
And this is a kitty cat.
That's a kitty cat?
Yeah, that one's a pet. That one's for you. Meow.
Say I love you.
I love you.
Alright, say bye.